In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block emails on Yahoo. If you're tired of unwanted messages cluttering your inbox, these built-in tools make it quick to stop them from showing up where you don't want them. I'll walk you through 3 clear methods: blocking straight from an email, blocking through settings, and blocking multiple senders right from your inbox. First, let's block a sender directly from their email. Log into your Yahoo Mail, then open the message you don't want. Next to the sender's name, look for the 3 dots menu. Click that, choose block, and confirm in the pop-up. That's it. From now on, emails from that address will go straight to spam, keeping your inbox clean without you having to lift a finger. This method is great when you already have one of their messages open and want to act on it right away. Next, blocking via settings gives you more control, especially if you want to add addresses proactively. Click the gear icon in the top right, then select More Settings. Go to Security and Privacy, and find the Blocked Addresses section. Click Add, type the email address you want to block, and save. Yahoo lets you block up to 1,000 addresses, which is more than enough for most people. This approach is handy if you've written down problem addresses or you want to block a sender even if you don't currently have an email from them in your inbox. Make sure the address you enter is exactly right. A small typo means the block won't catch their messages. Finally, if you're dealing with a bunch of unwanted messages at once, you can block multiple senders straight from your inbox. Select the emails from the senders you want to block. Then either right-click or click the 3-dot More button above your message list and choose Block Senders. In the confirmation pop-up, confirm that you want to block future emails, and you can optionally delete existing messages from those senders in one go. This is the fastest way to clean house if you're seeing a pattern from several sources. A quick tip: blocking sends future messages to spam, which you can review occasionally in case something was miscategorized. And remember, blocking is different from simply marking spam. Blocking is more decisive and keeps your inbox tidy with less ongoing effort. That's all you need to keep unwanted email out of sight in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.